more than 6 weeks ago, saved by the Bel-Alam luck Voorhees married Jimmy Green in a private ceremony in Las Vegas. But since their happy day, new information has emerged about Green's past, which includes a 2012 arrest warrant for disorderly conduct and threatening to intimidate in Tucson, Arizona, according to court documents. "We're looking into the matter and are obviously concerned about these allegations," Voorhees rep Jennifer Wolfson tells People. About a year ago, Voorhees, 41, and Green, 31, met at a networking event in the Los Angeles area. They immediately started dating. Keep up with your favorite celebs in the pages of People magazine by subscribing now. "We have known it was meant to be for a while now and are so happy we found each other," Voorhees told People in an exclusive statement before the news emerged about her husband. "I look forward to all the wonderful moments and memories we will create together. Thank you so much for all the well wishes and we appreciate them indeed."